Okay. So what is pipelining? What is pipelining?
So the
Okay.
it's
So மேல பார்த்துடலாம் what is pipelining then. Actually pipelining means processor, okay, will work on different steps of instructions, okay, at the same time. For example, so you can even tell like instead of executing one instruction completely, okay,
Okay.
maybe I can change the color here. So instead of executing one complete instruction, okay, executing one complete instruction, okay, so processor is going to overlap multiple instruction, okay, processor overlaps multiple instructions.
Okay.
Multiple instructions, okay. So for example, actually we have some stages in pipeline, okay. For example, if our first instruction, we fetch the instruction, we decode the instruction, then we execute it, okay. So this is how it should happen for one complete instruction: fetch, decode, execute. Anna, in our case, in RISC, actually what will happen, like while it has fetched one instruction, first instruction, it will start decoding the first one. In the same time, it will start fetching the second instruction, okay. And again, when it's done decoding and when it starts executing the first one, the decoding of second one starts, okay. So this is going to overlap. Now you can see. So what is going to happen? So this will again fetch, decode, execute, okay. So this will again fetch, decode, execute, okay. So this is going to happen. Here what happens? Multiple stages are getting overlapped, okay. So that you need to remember. So இது வந்து ரொம்ப important. புரியுதா? Multiple stages are overlapped. So instead of doing one complete instruction at a time, okay, so it is going to overlap multiple instructions at the same time, okay. So that means when the first stage of first instruction is completed, next instruction enters into its first stage, okay. So this process continues until all the instructions are executed, okay. Okay, so generally like we have 3-stage pipeline and also we have 5-stage. Now whatever I have written, it is 3-stage, okay. In 5-stage, okay, we'll go here. So this is again overlap, okay. So here now what is happening, if you can see here, so this is without pipeline. Actually they are doing something, okay. Assume that this guy actually he is doing some work, okay, without that pipelining process. Now what is happening? So he has this task, okay, A, B, C, D. Now here what happens? There is no pipeline, okay. Here there is no pipeline. Like அதாவது என்னன்னா இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன்ஸ் வச்சுக்கலாம், ABCD வந்து இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன்ஸ் வச்சுக்கலாம். அதாவது one instruction is done, after that only one more instruction is getting started, and this is done, then only next one is getting started, okay. So this is without pipeline, no pipeline here, okay. Actually here the case is time is going to increase. Time increases, so if time increases, that means the process is very slow, correct? Okay. So when you take the bottom diagram, actually this is with pipeline, okay. So with pipeline, now what is going to happen? While A is in execution, okay, B is in some second stage, okay, again C is in third stage, right? I mean like it's overlapping. So you can see here this guy is overlapping. He is doing multitasking at the same time, okay. That means multiple instructions are running at the same time, okay. Multiple instructions instructions at same time. Okay, so now you see here they have given some explanation like RISC processor, okay, it operates in the same way, okay, but but the thing is pipelines are different. I already told, right, 5-stage pipeline இருக்கும். Sometimes there is a 3-stage pipeline. So whatever I have told you till now, it's a 3-stage. Actually we even have 5-stage pipeline.
Okay.
Okay, so now what is going to happen? All those stages are different. Even in the pipeline, the stages are different. Different processes will have different number of steps. Okay, so sometimes it will have 5. In MIPS R3000 processor, it has 5-stage pipeline. Okay, so what are the stages are? First one is fetching. Fetching it will fetch instruction from the memory. Then what it will do, it will decode, that is read the registers and it will decode. Okay, so sometimes instead of F we can even represent it as IF, instruction fetch. Okay, instruction fetch. Next one is instruction decode. Okay, instruction decode. Next one is execute. Okay, so next one is execute the instruction or calculate that address. Okay, next one, it is memory access. Okay, so this is called memory, MEM. Okay, so this is nothing but memory access.
Okay.
Okay, memory access. And finally this is called write back. So this is called write back, or sometimes even this is also called store. Okay, so the 5 stages are instruction fetch, okay, instruction decode, and then like execute, just execute, okay, memory access, then finally you have write back. Okay, so this is the 5 stages in the 5 pipeline. So can you tell me what are all the stages?
So instruction fetch, then instruction decode,
Okay,
then execute,
okay,
memory,
okay,
read,
okay. So yeah, write back actually. WB na write back. Okay, so you can remember this shortcut la. So you can remember this one. Okay, so in what is the advantage of using pipeline? Throughput is going to increase. Throughput na output dane. Okay, so throughput increases. So if they ask you a question, what will happen like if you use pipeline? Okay, so in that case throughput is going to increase. Okay, so next